Yo, what's
Yo,
up?
what's up?
So, Christmas is coming, and if you will ever think and wonder where are the people in Bali, in Ubud area, I think we found the place. Where we are now is actually super busy, right?
Damian means like where are the tourists, international tourists? I mean like the expats, where they are going, where they are nowadays. So
Exactly.
here they are. So they have nowadays they have like a Christmas bazaar. So you see like how busy it is. I never seen that before.
And it's actually feeling like we are already not in Bali, like some in different place, because it's like unbelievable. You have to see this.
Alright, so whenever you think about this, what is it called, the foreigners or the expat who are still living in Bali, I think that they also have like a strong community. And then we just walk around and strolling around. Seems like the development of the properties are almost complete and the people are here. They have like community, and they even opened the Christmas bazaar. There was so busy, like I think there are so many international brands based in Bali, and I also see like the yogis, the entrepreneurs, they said like that, and then they have their own products. So most of the business owned who based in Bali, even they open their, what is it called, shop. It's not like opening shop, I mean like they showcase their product there, and you see even like most of them international people, maybe coming from the Europe, coming from America, or from like from different countries that I saw. And there are many events, I think, nowadays. So yeah, I think that they have a strong community here, right, honey?
Yeah, I think so also. Yeah, it's like so many people from all around the world. Mostly seems like they are Eastern Europeans, but the world actually, I saw also a few local people, but I don't know if maybe they are vendors actually, or maybe staff, or maybe they are also customers. But definitely the vibe is totally different than in Seminyak yesterday or in Kuta, where was the only local people, like domestic people from different islands of Indonesia, right?
So one interest.
Like here is there literally like you are in different island. Little bit like when I watch my friends, they are like people. I feel like I'm in Thailand right now, because in Thailand like 400,000 tourists arrive. So it's like a vibe, like I moved to Phuket or something. It's totally different vibe.
Yes, so one interesting fact, actually when I was there, I see that many international brands, international products, jewelries, or any other things that I saw, like boutique shop or something like international brand, what is it called? Clothes, fashion. And I saw that there are many international fashion designer also put the showcase their product there. So it means like there are many entrepreneurs who are still living in Bali and based in Bali, and then they just like open the market here. So this is how it is. And one interesting thing that I saw, even one group of cryptocurrency people, crypto guy, and once the guy even like approaching me, do you want to join the crypto workshop?
You should join. Maybe actually you could make something. I mean, next time you join.
What is it?
You should ask him what is NFT.
NFT. I think that most of them, they are just like entrepreneurs who are living in Bali, and then that's their vibe.
So the vibes here are definitely specifically different than elsewhere around the Bali, that's for sure. And also this place is slightly new. They just start like a few months before the current situation, and all what you see here around on the every corner, this is like made during the current situation, during the times where everything elsewhere was quiet, empty, or even went into bankruptcy. But this one is developing pretty well. And it's still under construction. Like on the left, on the right, everything will be the apartments and private villas. And this is like a closed town for the only this kind of people, entrepreneurs who are coming from all around the world. Either we like it or you don't like it, you can comment below, but that's how it is. And this is the potentially the kind of future for Bali, because as you see, it's extremely busy here to compare to the other parts of Bali where I showed you in the past 2-3 months, or actually last 2 years. Everywhere is just quiet, or at least some local people coming. But here is so many international people around, really a lot of.
One painting, it costs like 45 million. And look at the motorbikes behind me. So many fancy motorbikes. And let's walk around. I will show you how it is, the buildings, because maybe last time when we were here with Alex, but now it seems like already almost finished and furnished.
Almost finished, yes, you're right. I mean, still
Wow.
under construction, but it's closer than it was.
That's true. Ooh la la, look at this, even these fancy cars here, Ferrari. Wow. I think that somebody own it.
Ali, you can buy like this for me for the Christmas present. lah.
No way.
It's Christmas coming and it's red. lah.
No way. All right, guys, so we just show you how it is, and then this is exactly how it is nowadays in Bali. You know, even like there are not many international tourists coming to Bali, but still some expat still living in Bali, and then this is
And
how
seems
it is.
like they have actually quite strong community from all around the world. It's quite many people, like we already mentioned before. And this is of course not any kind of paid endorsement. We are just showing this place already a few times. And well, it's nice to show something different than just the old parts, what you saw already in the past months, empty and going into self-destruction. This one is going actually developing pretty well, and seems like it's more and more we come here, it's more busier. I don't know, that's my feeling.
Yeah. So once again, guys, so we are not promoting anything from any kinds of property business or something like that. Even that before, when you watch our video, we have almost 600 videos about Bali, and then one of them previously we also showing you about this park, and then our friend Alex. So this is not kind of any, you know, endorsement. We don't get any paid for that. So we just show you how it is. Okay, I think that's all our video, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya, take care.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone.